morning everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Sunday morning, so time to do another painting. I've already tried a painting this morning, it didn't work. I've scraped it off, so we're going to try something different, because whatever I tried was just anyway. So come along, join me, and let's hopefully get a good painting out of today. I'm sure I will. So come along and join me, and let's have some fun putting some paint on a canvas. Join me. Okay everyone, so alright, as you know, when I do these funnel pours, I have the Amsterdam Oxide Black, which is what gives me the lacing effect, and then I have the Deco Art Satin Enamels, which gives me the clouds. I want to try and do a funnel pour today without clouds. I just want the colors and the lacing, because I love the lacing. Look at that. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know what it's going to do at all, but this is what I'm going to try and do today. I'm going to try and not put clouds. Okay, so like I said, what I tried this morning did not work. I've scraped it off, and I'm just going to reuse this. So let me put my gloves on. So I'm just going to put my paints where I can get to them and take these lids off like that, because when you're holding the funnel you need to have hands available to you know, anyway. Okay, I think you can see that. Let me move it a little bit closer so you can see into the funnel. Okay, so we start off with the Amsterdam Black. Okay, then into that we add some colors. So there's a color. There's a color. I'm going to put some more of the black. And here is some more color. And some more color. Some more black, and maybe try and pour some in from a height. See what happens. Okay, now I'm going to bring you down. Okay, here we go. And lift and drop. Lift and drop. Okay. Alright, well, something is happening. I'm going to just hit it with a heat gun quick. Okay, let me bring you down quick and show you that. Okay, so that's very pretty. Little cells are forming. Okay, so we're going to give this, I would say, 3 minutes, and then we're going to spin it out. Let's give it about 3 minutes to develop and do whatever it wants to do, and then we'll spin it out. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, it's been 2 or 3 minutes already, so I don't think it's going to be doing much more. So let's spin it out, and as you know, when you spin it out, it stretches it. So although those cells are very small now, they'll stretch out when I spin it. So let's go. I hope I've got enough paint on here. It doesn't look like I've got enough paint on here. Not to worry. We'll just do the whole thing again. Hold on. We'll just do the whole thing again. Okay, so we'll just put the funnel back on. And just put some more paint on. It's just an experiment. I mean, yeah, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I'm just going to try. Put some more paint on. That'll work. Sometimes that's all you need. It's just some more paint and some more black. Okay. All right. Okay, and now we'll just wait for that to develop. Let me just hit that with a heat gun. Okay, all right, we're going to leave that for a couple minutes and see if anything happens. This is so annoying. I mean, you saw how many little cells popped up when I put the first paint down. I didn't do anything different the second time around, and look, I don't understand. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a paintbrush and I'm going to see if I can bring some of the previous paint in. This is just a disaster, look at it. Oh no, I don't understand. I just don't. But anyway, I'm going to spin this out and I'll just see what we land up with. If you grab the paint and drag it over, it drags the pattern down with it. So you grab it on top and drag it down like that. Got too much paint on these gloves now. There we go. Okay, all the sides are covered and all the corners are covered. You know, it's actually not bad. It's not bad at all. It has some very pretty colors coming through. It is dark, but it's not bad. If it dries not too dark, it'll be okay. It will now just depend on how it dries. So we'll leave it. Let me take it off of the spinner. Hold on, let me get my caps. And then I can just put it on the cups and leave it to dry, and I'll see what it looks like then. Just like that. Right, let me just move this out the way. Put the cups. Okay, right, let me take my gloves off and then I'll bring you down and show you what it looks like. Yeah, like I said, it's not bad. It's okay. Hold on, I'll show you. So there it is. Look at that. It's not bad. Not bad. Very pretty patterns in it, and color. There is color. Look at that. I think that's gorgeous. If it doesn't dry too dark, it'll be lovely. I love these patterns on it. It really, really actually is very pretty. Look at that. So yes, I hope it dries bright and not dark. Because if it dries dark, well, then it's definitely not going to be very pretty. But the way that it looks now, it actually is very pretty. So yeah, okay. It was almost a disaster. I mean, look at this. It really is pretty. I love that. Okay, well, all we can do now is just wait and see how it dries. So, all right, there we go. Painting done. Thanks everyone for joining me. Like I've said before, in this channel, I don't just show you the successes. I show you the not that wonderful. I show you the complete disasters, And I mean, I'm keeping this channel real because not every painting you create is going to turn out perfectly. Some are, yes, definitely. I mean, I have some paintings that I'm really happy with and really proud of, but there are others that are, they're okay, you know. But yeah, it's part of the journey. It's part of the enjoying yourself. It's the process of creating something. That is why I do this. I enjoy doing paintings. Plain and simple. I enjoy doing it. It's relaxing for me. I come into my little caravan, I close my door, everybody leaves me alone for the most part, and I just come in here and I put paint on a canvas and just see what happens, you know. And that's what it's all about. That's what I enjoy. So whatever your reason is for creating your paintings, enjoy the process. Just enjoy it. Have fun. Put paint on a canvas and you never know what's going to happen. Look at that. Right, everyone, that's me. I'm going to go and edit this video quick. And then, of course, being Sunday morning, I've got all the Sunday chores just waiting for me in the house. So I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye.